This video will walk you through how to upload a chart of accounts into Ramp from an ERP while building an accounting integration with the Ramp API. We'll review how to import your GL accounts, custom fields, field options, vendors, and entities into Ramp to ensure a seamless sync between the two systems. Before we get started, make sure your API client includes the accounting read and accounting write scopes. For this tutorial, we'll be using this sample ERP system. We'll start by importing the GL accounts. We will import these into Ramp using the post-accounting accounts endpoint. For each GL account, you will add an object to the GL account array within the request body that includes the account's classification, the external ID from your ERP, the account name, and an optional ERP code. After you upload the GL accounts, you can view them in the Ramp UI by navigating to the Accounting tab, opening Settings, selecting Accounting Fields, clicking into Category, and viewing the corresponding options. Next, we'll import custom fields and field options. In our example ERP, we have a department custom field with two custom field options, Engineering and Design and Sales and Marketing. To import a custom field into Ramp, you'll use the post-accounting fields endpoint. Each field will include the external ERP ID, the field name, and the input type. When you submit this request, Ramp returns a Ramp ID, which you'll use when creating the field options for this custom field. Upload the custom field options by calling the post-accounting field options endpoint and include the Ramp ID from the previous step as the field ID in the request body. When uploading options, include the external ERP ID and the option name. Once the options are created, you can validate them in the Ramp UI by navigating to the Accounting tab, opening Settings, and viewing the accounting fields. Click into the accounting field to view the field options you uploaded. Next, we'll import vendors from the ERP. You can upload vendors using the post-accounting vendors endpoint, making sure each vendor includes its external ERP ID for proper mapping. Once the upload is successful, you can review your vendor list in the Ramp UI under the Accounting tab in Settings. Click on Accounting Fields and then click on the Merchant field to view the vendors you just uploaded. Entities can only be added through the Ramp UI. To upload a new entity, navigate to the Entities tab and click on Create New Entity. Now that you've imported your GL accounts, custom fields, field options, vendors, and entities from your ERP into Ramp, the next step is to set up the object sync between the two systems. We'll walk through how to set that up in the next video.